guys, finally he sleeps here. Today I'm in the wife's Chevy Sonic POS. Hate this car. I hate this car. I hate this car. She's having problems with her window regulator on the driver's door, so we're going to swap that out. But first, make sure you subscribe here at YouTube, turn on notifications. We never miss when any of these GearHeads videos goes live. This doesn't necessarily just work for a Chevy Sonic. This is going to be kind of a general thing. If you're having this kind of problems with your window regulator, electric windows not going down or not coming up, it's usually just a motor swap. Depending upon the car, sometimes it's the entire assembly, not just the motor. But for this one, all I'm doing is swapping out the motor. It goes down just fine, but when you're rolling it back up, it starts to bog down and then it gets stuck and automatically goes back down. So in order to get the door off, you have 3 screws here. There's one here, and then one here under this. There's these little panels that you use a screwdriver to pop off to gain access to the screws. All right, so we have the door card removed. Basically just undid all of the clips. Now we have the moisture barrier. We're gonna pull the moisture barrier back, but we need to bring this back in. This is what keeps the water that runs down from the glass from creating moisture inside the car. So this is important. So we're gonna pull this back very gently to reveal what's inside the door. So here's the new window regulator motor. So we need to pull the tracks out so that we can push this back and reattach the new motor here to the window regulator track. And I'm gonna mount the glass to the top, and we'll just wrap some Gorilla Tape around to keep this from sliding down. So we have some tape wrapped. It's stuck on the outside. And it's wrapped to the top. That is some high strength tape that will hold the glass in place. So here's the window regulator motor, and we've basically loosened the bolts. We've taken out the bottom bolts on the regulator so that the window can move, the regulator can move. The motor and unclip the wiring bracket and then pull it out. Get it out. So here's the motor on the regulator bracket, and you can see there's 3 screws on the back that are holding it in place. So all we're going to do is take those 3 screws out and swap the motor. There it is, new motor on the regulator. Now it's just a matter of putting it back in the door. There it is, window regulator is in. Now it's a matter of testing it out. So we have the wiring harnesses reconnected here on the door. Good deal. Let's go all the way up. Perfect. And the auto still works. So now it's just a matter of putting it all back together. There it is, all put back together. And operating as it should. Appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Thanks for watching the video. If you're looking for more car related content, make sure you subscribe here on the GearHeads channel. If you're looking for video game stuff, we've divided YouTube up into 4 different channels. Over there, you'll see the link for FC Mobile, Raid Shadow Legends, and then GearHeads for a few laughs, basically where we make fun of the alpha male.